Dave McClure, an American investor who's funded more than 500 startups, once said, "It turns out all you gotta do is copy great stuff 99% of the time, then innovate 1% every month, and you can beat the crap out of most people." Toyota may have applied this theory to its strategy when it decided to bring a Giga Press like Tesla into its factory. This machine helps the Japanese automaker improve chassis production time from many hours to just 3 minutes. So, how are Toyota's Giga Press different than Tesla's? Let's find out in today's episode of Tesla Car World. Welcome back to our channel, and before we begin, we do ask that you please show your support by subscribing if you haven't already and ringing that bell so you don't miss out on any of our interesting videos in the future. Now, let's get started with today's content. You might be curious as to why Toyota didn't implement the Giga Press technology sooner to enhance production efficiency. The rationale behind this decision lies in the fact that during the preceding years, the company primarily focused on the development of internal combustion engine vehicles, where lightweight design wasn't a critical consideration for such vehicle types. Why does Toyota need Giga Press at the present time? Well, in 2021, Tesla achieved a significant breakthrough with the Giga Press, achieving a remarkable 40% reduction in production costs for the Model Y's rear chassis. Additionally, they eliminated 600 redundant robots from their assembly line, optimizing the entire manufacturing process. Such transformative efficiency gains have generated a strong appeal for owning a Giga Press among automotive manufacturers. Coincidentally, during this period, Toyota lagged behind in the adoption of electric vehicles and faced challenges with inefficiencies in its production lines. It's almost unbelievable that Toyota had to acquire and disassemble a Tesla Model Y to unravel the key to Tesla's triumph. Subsequently, through meticulous analysis, they discerned the rationale behind Tesla's adoption of the Giga Press technology, a method that crafts a substantial portion of the vehicle's body structure in a singular motion, resulting in substantial efficiency designs and cost reductions. This revelation led Toyota to acknowledge the Model Y as nothing short of a work of art. Toyota's current traditional production process is cumbersome and takes a long time because completing a car requires 86 parts, 33 steps, and several hours. So Toyota needs to improve the production process faster, and the Giga Press is an effective solution that the company's applied. Toyota built the first GigaCast prototype back in September 2022, but it was not really effective with a pressing force of only 4,000 tons, and the company's continuously improved this pressing machine up until now. Guided by the stewardship of its new CEO, Toyota set a formidable target of manufacturing 3.5 million units annually by 2030. Leveraging the Giga Press technology, the company's poised to attain a remarkable 20% increase in productivity compared to rivals adopting conventional methods. This cutting-edge technology will also play a pivotal role in fabricating the front and rear components for the forthcoming Lexus electric vehicles, slated for their 2026 debut. While the adoption of the Giga Press has not yet been widespread, Toyota's rigorously tested the machine and attained specific performance benchmarks. How does Toyota's Giga Press compare to Tesla? While Toyota has indeed implemented a Giga Press akin to Tesla's at its Myochi facility in Japan, it's important to note the operational parameters of Toyota's Giga Press diverge significantly from that of Tesla's.
We developed our own alloy, a special alloy of aluminum that has high strength without heat treat and is very castable. So that's a great achievement of our materials team.
In both press technologies, the casting material consists of molten aluminum that's poured into a mold designed for rapid cooling. But Tesla specifically uses a type of alloy aluminum for the Giga Press that's significantly different from Toyota's regular aluminum alloy. In Toyota's Giga Press, the process involves injecting liquid aluminum at a temperature of 700 degrees Celsius, and the casting reaches its final state when the mold's opened at 250 Celsius. Conversely, Tesla's Giga Press operates by pumping a quantity of molten metal from the holding furnace into the casting chamber at a higher temperature of 750 Celsius, and the casting solidifies at 400 Celsius once the mold's open. Aluminum melts at a higher temperature, allowing the material to become more fluid for rapid injection into the mold and creating more toughness for the chassis. While injecting hot aluminum into the mold, Toyota's Giga Press restricts the maximum amount of aluminum to approximately 70 kilograms, a sufficient quantity for fabricating the chassis of a mid-sized electric vehicle. This limitation also raises queries regarding the design approach for Toyota's forthcoming model. In contrast, Tesla's Giga Press permits the injection of 80 to 100 kilograms of molten aluminum into the mold cavity within a rapid time frame of 60 to 100 milliseconds. The injection motor capacity of the Tesla Giga Press boasts an impressive rating of up to 75 kilowatts, surpassing the 55 kilowatt capacity of Toyota's latest press. That increased injection motor power delivers the capability to transport aluminum material into the mold at a superior and more rapid filling rate. Pressure stands as the paramount factor in ascertaining the supremacy of the Giga Press technology. Elevated pressure levels result in a more tightly formed product with fewer imperfections. Toyota's latest Giga Press boasts an impressive pressing force of 6,000 tons, whereas Tesla currently operates at an even more formidable 9,000 tons and has plans to enhance it further to 16,000 tons. Consequently, Tesla's Giga Press can effectively stamp thicker and larger aluminum panels, such as those found in the Cybertruck frame. The pressing force exerts a substantial influence on the pace of the automotive molding procedure. Toyota's Giga Press, due to its lower pressing force, necessitates a longer cycle time of approximately 3 minutes, yielding roughly 20 moldings an hour. By contrast, Tesla's cutting-edge technology facilitates cycle times ranging from 80 to 90 seconds, resulting in an initial production rate of 40 to 45 completed castings every hour, or 1,000 castings per day. However, Toyota's factory seems to be less cramped because Toyota's Giga Press has the advantage of being smaller in weight and size than Tesla's Giga Press. Thanks to the small pressure, the weight's expected to be only 410 to 430 tons, while Tesla's current Giga Press ranges from 570 to 590 tons. Besides, the size of the Toyota press will be about 19.8 by 7.37 by 6 meters, and the Tesla 9000 Giga Press will be more massive, measuring 26 by 8.4 by 7.7 meters. Tesla's Giga Press molding machines demonstrate versatility by producing chassis components for a range of vehicle models, such as the Model 3, Model Y, and Cybertruck. In contrast, Toyota's press is currently tailored for casting frames solely for a new Lexus car model slated for release in 2026. This disparity in capability might constrain the broader effectiveness of automotive production technology. Although indicators show that the Toyota press still has certain limitations compared to Tesla's, everything is still in the early stages of development and hasn't yet been officially applied. All parameters are just results summarized in the first tests. Toyota will certainly improve and upgrade this machine so that it achieves higher efficiency compared to its efforts to produce 3.5 million vehicles by the end of the decade. Toyota's goal is said to be too ambitious when it wants to use Giga Press efficiency, 20% more effective than other competitors out there, even though only at the beginning of the Giga Press application. Tesla still proves that they're a car manufacturer that has the most modern and advanced molding technology. 10, 20, even 50 years is the timeline that Toyota needs to consider if the Japanese automaker is intending to catch up with Tesla. How competitive will Giga Press be in the near future? Indra's CEO, Riccardo Ferrario, envisions that by 2035, a substantial 80% of automakers, particularly those focusing on EVs built upon new platforms, will integrate Giga Presses in their manufacturing processes. The remarkable potential for reducing production costs by as much as 40% is a pretty compelling incentive, drawing an increasing number of electric vehicle manufacturers towards the adoption of Giga Press technology in their facilities. The landscape's witnessing a proliferation of Giga Press manufacturers all over the world, including notable names like Buehler Group in Europe, Ube and Shibara Machine in Japan, and Haitian in China. This burgeoning competition underscores the need for Idra Group to expedite the development and enhancement of Giga Press technology, positioning itself to outperform rival manufacturers in this dynamic and evolving market. The global aluminum casting market, valued at approximately $73 billion as of 2022, is poised for substantial growth, with projections indicating it could surge to $126 billion in 10 years. This upswing is primarily attributed to the heightened demand from EV manufacturers trying to integrate Giga Press technology into their production processes. A bunch of companies, Toyota, GM, Hyundai, Volkswagen, Chinese subsidiaries of Geely, Volvos, Polestar, and Zeekr, are all actively considering the adoption of this advanced technology, further fueling the market's expansion.
And we finally figured it out. And I think it's the way that all electric cars in the future will ultimately be made. It's the right way to do things.
Tesla's actively considering the acquisition of additional Giga Press machines for its manufacturing facilities, with a particular emphasis on the expansive factory in Mexico, set to commence operations in the near future. The company's unequivocally committed to advancing this technology, with a strategic vision of incorporating Giga Presses into the production process for all chassis components of its next-gen electric vehicles, a strategic move intended to bolster the volume of EVs introduced to the market. The automotive sector is poised for substantial transformation, shifting from internal combustion engine-driven vehicles towards EVs. This transition places considerable pressure on the production of intricate and innovative components that are essential for electric vehicles, where the Giga Press emerges as a pivotal tool in this manufacturing process. Within the electric vehicle manufacturing landscape, few technologies rival the superiority of the Giga Press, particularly when it comes to enabling the fabrication of large and intricate parts, spanning from vehicle frames to robust industrial components. The ability to produce sizable products not only meets industry demands, but also opens up fresh possibilities in product design and innovation. The Giga Press by Tesla stands as an iconic symbol of innovation within the automotive industry, continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Renowned for its exceptional production capabilities and formidable injection motor power rating up to 75 kilowatts, it's significantly enhanced the manufacturing process and the overall quality of Tesla products. Nonetheless, the path to advancement doesn't stop here. The Giga Press Tesla is currently undergoing a remarkable and daring transformation. The company's objective is to attain an astounding pressing force of up to 16,000 tons. This endeavor not only presents a formidable technical challenge, but also carries the potential to revolutionize the landscape of electric vehicle manufacturing. With these enhanced capabilities, it sets the stage for the potential production of the entire chassis of the Model 2, representing a groundbreaking leap towards enhancing the accessibility and affordability of electric vehicles for a broader consumer demographic. In the interim, Toyota's Giga Press finds itself in need of significant innovation leaps, with a pressing force of at least 8,000 tons to remain competitive in an ever-evolving landscape. The competitive landscape extends beyond traditional automakers and includes startups and emerging manufacturers silently vying with Giga Press technology to carve out niches with distinctive products. Anticipated advancement in Giga Press technology promises substantial benefits for the global electric vehicle industry. Swift, high-precision, and energy-efficient production capabilities are poised to usher in reduced manufacturing costs, expediting the transition to electric vehicles. This, in turn, contributes to a greener and more sustainable future for the industry, aligning with the broader goals of environmental consciousness. The advent of the Giga Press represents a significant stride for Tesla, fortifying their preeminent stance in the electric vehicle arena. Beyond bolstering production efficiency and product quality, the Giga Press has posed a formidable challenge to rivals within the automotive sector. While some manufacturers have embarked on the adoption of Giga Press technology, they grapple with the daunting task of matching Tesla's relentless pace of innovation and ingenuity. Nonetheless, Tesla's quest for advancement knows no bounds. Their unwavering commitment to research and development underscores their relentless pursuit of opportunities for refinement and expansion in production. Evidence signals suggest that Tesla may deepen its collaboration with press manufacturers like Buehler, signaling their intent to amplify production capacity and cater to the burgeoning market demand. Looking ahead, the role of the Giga Press in the electric vehicle industry remains pivotal, driven by Tesla and its competitors alike. This transformative technology holds the promise of curtailing production costs and expediting the transition to EVs, thus fostering a greener and more sustainable future for the global automotive industry. In brief, the Giga Press stands as a monumental technological leap, propelling the EV sector to unprecedented heights. Its breakthrough isn't merely a significant advancement for Tesla. It serves as a foundational pillar for the comprehensive evolution within the entire electric vehicle industry. Its capacity to surmount formidable technical obstacles and its potential to revolutionize the EV manufacturing process. So, we gotta ask, what do you think about the specifications of Toyota's presses? And how do you feel about the competition of Giga Presses in the future when the number and production of this machine starts rising? We want to hear your insights. We hope you've had the most relaxing feelings after watching this video, and if you did, please hit the like button and join the Tesla Car World family by subscribing to our channel. And don't miss out on any of our awesome videos in the future by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun.